Welcome to the Materials Science lecture on electrical properties and band structures. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of how materials conduct electricity and the underlying principles of their band structures. By the end of this class, you will be able to describe and explain electronic band structures and the mechanisms of conductivity in conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. Let's explore these concepts together. Engineering materials exhibit different types of bonding, including ionic, covalent, and metallic bonds. These bonds influence the material's electrical properties and behavior. The Pauli exclusion principle plays a crucial role in determining the electronic states within an atom. It explains why electrons occupy distinct energy levels and how these levels affect conductivity. Band structure representation helps us understand the energy levels within a material. The energy band gap is a key factor in determining whether a material is a conductor, semiconductor, or insulator. Different elements like sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, and carbon have unique electronic structures. These structures influence their electrical properties and applications. In metals, conduction occurs due to the presence of free electrons in the overlapping valence and conduction bands. This results in high electrical conductivity. Let's test your understanding. Fill in the blanks with the correct terms related to band gaps and adjacent states in metals, semiconductors, and insulators. Here are the answers to the inquiry. Metals have no band gaps, semiconductors have small band gaps, and insulators have large band gaps. From the conduction band edge, insulators have no adjacent states, while semiconductors have adjacent states from the valence band. We have covered the learning objectives, focusing on electronic band structures and mechanisms of conductivity in various materials. Let's summarize what we've learned. The band structure model for conductivity illustrates how different materials conduct electricity. This model helps us understand the practical applications of conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment below about what you learned and what topics you'd like to explore further. This presentation contains copyrighted material used under the Fair Use Doctrine for educational purposes. All rights belong to their respective copyright holders. Links to relevant resources are provided in the video description.